Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside X. Open the app or website and sign in. Once signed in, go directly to Profile, then Settings and Privacy, and choose Account Information. You need your current password and the new phone on hand because X will send a verification code. Entering your password confirms your identity. This prevents unauthorized changes. After that, select Phone and tap Edit to begin the actual change. This gets you to the first actionable screen without delay. Once you hit Edit, choose Add or Replace Phone and type the new number including the country code. Make sure you type digits only and double-check for typos because SMS codes expire quickly. Tap Send Code. When the SMS arrives, enter the numeric code exactly as shown. If the code fails, request a new one but wait at least 30 seconds to avoid rate limits. Make sure to accept any prompts to enable two-factor authentication. After entering the verification code, confirm and save the new phone. Once saved, sign out and sign back in to verify notifications and recovery work. If SMS never arrives, try the voice call option or use your backup codes. Sometimes carrier delays or DND settings block SMS. If the account is locked or you can't verify, collect screenshots and proof of ownership, then contact X support. Make sure to explain steps already tried so they can escalate efficiently and restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.